Looking for the best cordless vacuums of 2025 Our exclusive lab tests on over 100 models reveal shocking truths that will save you money and headaches. Forget what you thought about price and performance, because we're diving deep into battery life, suction power, and overall value. You might be surprised to learn that spending more doesn't always guarantee a longer-lasting battery, and we even found incredible performers for under $500. Be sure to check the description for links to buy these top picks early. Number 1. The Dreame Z30 takes the crown for an unprecedented 110-minute battery life, blowing away the competition and proving you don't need to break the bank for endurance. Number 2. The Shark Stratos emerges as our pick for the best overall, delivering powerful suction on both carpet and hardwood, consistently appearing on top lists. Number 3. Don't overlook the Levoit LVAC-300 a true hidden gem that offers an excellent balance of strong suction and impressive battery life, often at an affordable price point. Number 4. The Eureka ReactiSense 440 defied expectations, earning accolades for its exceptional carpet suction, making it a fantastic value option. And finally, number 5. The Dyson V15 Detect proves its mettle, offering a premium experience with strong performance across the board, even if it's on the pricier side. Our rigorous testing exposed the unexpected link between battery life and suction, showing that while often inversely related, these amazing vacuums offer surprising exceptions. Discover which cordless vacuum truly dominates in 2025 to keep your home spotless.